Hey guys, welcome back. Today Michael's going to be with us and he's going to talk through editing and labeling parcel styles in Civil 3D, so let's learn.
Hey, it's going to be a video editing or creating a new style for a parcel. So if we hop over to our paper space, since our scale is so large for this entire site plan here, the scale is 120 scale, so you see the text is just plotting really big. If we go in and change the scale, you'll see the text size will change. So like we come back down here and we regen, it will go to a 30 scale size. But since we want 120 scale to see the whole plan, we need to edit the style itself. So if we hop back over to model space, we can change our scale that we see in model space down here to what our page scale, our paper space scale was. I think it was actually 80 and not 120. What did it say? Or maybe it was 120. Yeah, that's what's one? 1 divided by 120, 0.0833, yeah. Let's make sure that this was locked. Yes. Alright, so if we change our scale to that custom 120 scale, I don't know if we can select it or if I just have to type it in like I did the other one. Custom, add 1 equals 120, maybe. I don't know, I haven't done this before. Yeah, so you see it's huge. This should be the same size that our paper scale is on. But we want the labels to fit within the parcels themselves. So if we click the parcel, this parcel area label style right here, we're going to do create/edit. We're going to create a child of the current selection. So the style will stay the same in terms of like the text style and like everything that's listed on the label here, like lot number and the area. But we're just going to make one that's called CBLX large scale. Or I guess since it's a 120 scale, we could just name it the 120 scale. Hop back over to the layout. So we had to do each one by one. So area, we're going to change the text height from 0.1. Let's try let's make it a third of the size. Let's do 0.03. Apply. Parcel name, we'll do same thing, a third, so we'll do 0.05, apply, and then the area in square feet, 0.03, apply, okay. So now it made the text smaller, but it looks like we can try to change like the spacing if we want it in there. Or actually we can probably make the text a little bit bigger. So let's go back in and edit it again. Create/edit, edit current selection. Let's just do 0.04. 0.04. Where was the name? Yeah, we wanted to make the name 0.01 bigger. 0.04. Now let's try to change the spacing. So that's going to be the y offset. So instead of negative 0.1, we want it to be, maybe the same thing, like a third of that. So let's do negative 0.0, not 0, negative 0.03. Apply. There won't, negative 0.03. Apply. And there won't be a y offset for the parcel name because it's at the top. So then apply, okay, Okay. So that looks pretty good. So all these other labels are on the standard CVLX style. So if we can click this one and we can use MA, we can just click them. And now if we hop back over to our our paper space, which has the 120 scale, the lot sizes, look a lot better than what they did before. If you use anything like a 60 scale or below, you won't have to update the parcel area label style. But if you use a large scale like this and you still want to see the parcel labels, you'll just have to go in and either edit the style, or I'll save this 120 scale style into the template. So if you have 120 scale, you can use this style.